This is crazy. Trucks are not making it up the hill. Hey, baby. They're sliding. The buses are going to have trouble coming up the hill and going down the hill. It is snowing. We can March 31st. And it is snowing like a motherfucker out here. And look at this shit. Like, the cars are all having a hard time getting up this stupid hill. Oh my god, this is crazy. This is so freaking cool. Everybody's all slow and shit. March 31st. Welcome to Connecticut. Wow. The sad part was this truck. Well, actually, a van couldn't even get up the hill. There's actually a lot of people that'll get stuck trying to go up this little hill and then come down. Watch. When they start going up there, I'm going to see if I catch somebody else getting stuck. Because when they try to go up the hill and then go to the right, a lot of them seem to get stuck doing that. Especially buses and some vans can't make it. And my town is so cheap, I don't think they put any salt down. Of course, everybody thought it was going to rain, so nobody really thought it was going to snow like this. But it's New England, and they did warn that it could turn into snow. Wow. March 31st, 2014. Welcome to New England. This is crazy. Nice little snowstorm. And it came down with big-ass flakes. Came down fast. I didn't think it was going to stick. But here it is, stuck. And look, people's tires are spinning. Here goes this lady. She can't make it up the hill. Oh, she's going all sideways and stuff. I hope she doesn't end up hitting the guy behind her. You can't even stop. Because if you stop with the light and you try to get back on, you start sliding. Look at that lady. She started sliding, but she was able to save herself. There's a snow truck finally doing something, I guess. They're putting down dirt, but they should know better. This area definitely needs, like, sand quickly. It should have had sand. As soon as they realized it was snowing, they should have put sand or salt, actually, in this little area. And now he's going up. He's not doing the right-hand side, which is where people are getting stuck and sliding back. Anyway, this is pretty cool. Since I'm not driving, I think it's pretty cool. So sorry for the people going up the hill, trying to go to the right side. The 4x4s aren't having that much trouble, but a lot of other people are. Wow. Coming down fast, too. Anyway, I'll see what's happening in a little while. Bye.